These are the M35 Cobalt Stubby drill bits. There's 6 pieces of short drill bits for metal, 1/4-inch Hex Shank with storage case. The sizes are 3 32-inch, 1/8 inch, 3/16 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch. Cobalt drill bit set for hardened steel, carbide, wood, plastic. As you can see here, this is a high quality material which provides efficient cutting and for versatile applications. These are the 5 most popular sizes and 1 larger size. This is suitable for steel, carbon steel, iron, copper, aluminum, and most other metals, as well as wood and plywood. It has a user-friendly design featuring laser-engraved step sizes. Our drill bit set ensures clear visibility and durability during use. There's also dedicated customer service in case you have any questions. They also undergo rigorous quality inspections.